3 best ways to make money using Adsterra ads. Method 1. Strategic use of high-performing ad formats. Using these ads platforms such as Popunder Ads, Social Bar Ads, and lastly, Smart Link. Let's talk about strategy. Don't rely on just one ad format. Experiment with a combination of these high-performing formats to diversify your income and see which ones resonate best with your specific audience and content. Method 2. Focus on quality traffic and audience targeting. The foundation of good ad revenue is high quality, engaging content that attracts and retains an audience. Optimize your website for search engines to attract organic traffic. This involves using relevant keywords, improving website loading speed, optimizing for mobile devices and other devices. Adsterra allows for geo-targeting, meaning advertisers can focus on specific countries, regions, or cities. As a publisher, understanding where your traffic comes from is a good strategy. Method 3. Optimize ad placement and user experience. Significant portion of internet traffic comes from mobile devices. Ensure your website and ad placements are optimized for mobile to provide a seamless user experience. Ads placed higher up on your web page generally perform better due to higher visibility. These can generate significantly more revenue than ads placed further down the page.